And for me, a topic must be really interesting. It should be a unique idea. You should try to solve a real problem. So when you go through the world and you think about what's not working, of course, as a computer scientist, you try to find a solution with a computer in order to improve the situation. And of course, I really want to have a thesis that contain extensive implementation parts. So it's not just writing text. It's really you have to implement something. And that should be a substantial work. It should be hundreds or thousands of lines of code that actually works and that solves this problem. You can show it. You should know your theory, and you should be able to implement the theory in practice. And once you have all of this, the time you do that, I think you get more into the details of C++ and learn how to make best use of the language. There are a couple of formal requirements and maybe much more. My big wish is when it comes out, when it's finished, it should be of such a quality that you can actually publish it at a conference. It could be a peer-reviewed scientific conference or in a forum like this, Meeting C++, for instance, or CPPCom or something like that, like an industry conference. We published a lot of talks at Vulcanized, for instance, in the last years. So I really want to have a very, very good quality. And my students know that I will not stop until the thesis really looks perfect. Of course, it must be a scientific work. They should have proper research questions, hypotheses, and carry out experiments, come up with good statistical induction in order to prove that. And here are a couple of topics that I'm focusing on because it's entertainment computing. It's more focused on games, gaming technologies. Some students are more in the design. They might create a game, for instance, a serious game. But more and more, we have students who are actually focusing on a very technical things, on game engine technologies, on the Vulkan API, Slang shader language, making use of GPUs and so on.